everybody, it's Kika Ray, your lifestyle blogger, and I'm sitting in the parking lot of Walmart, and I'm about to go in and make a quick purchase. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and yesterday when I was here, I seen something that I really wanted. And ever so often, Walmart gets these supplies in that you don't see them too often. Sometimes they're seasonal, and one of those things are decorative pillows. And so they have their spring decorative pillows out right now, and I think they would be just perfect for my boat. And so I know I don't have the boat yet. I know in a couple months I'm going to get it, but I figured I better pick up these pillows now before they're not here in a couple months. So I'm going to go in and get a bunch of them because I think they would look lovely on my boat, as I will have like a sectional. I have a sectional on my boat now, and the pillows would just add a really nice added touch. So keep watching, more video footage coming up.
Look at these cute pillows. Make every day an adventure. And then these one. And then this says, they're awesome. For only $4.88. I wonder if there's some other hidden gems down here. I gotta kind of dig in here. I don't like that one. Oh, there goes one. I'm getting that one. Got $60 worth of, well, just about $60 worth of pillows. And I got about 12 pillows here. Walmart, place to shop.
You can get one.
We're at the boat show.
So what is it, like a dock or something, a deck? Yeah.
Yeah.
How many feet is this one? This is about as big as mine.
Isn't accurate. It's an 80-foot cliff to the water. So we priced it out. We did one up on the big stand.
Why do I feel like mine looks different than this? Oh.
We have this part, but that part is like, you still on like the edge of it.
Yeah.
And then we have our thing.
And we got a bar on ours.
Right here, yep. That one's.
Look at Leroy. You think you can do it?
It was horrible.
What's this? Oh, this is where you put your fish in. Oh my gosh. Look at this, Leroy. This is where you put your fish in and you measure them.
Yours like that?
Nope.
Yours is like.
I don't know. I don't remember.
I thought yours was on the floor.
We had that back there too. Ours is like super big. It's big.
Yeah.
It feels like it's bigger than this. We got this too. Oh. Where's the one with like a bar on it? That's more like in style of ours. I like this one.
But they don't have like a table.
I think ours is a little bigger than this. I think we need to go over there. We got a refrigerator on ours. A vending thing.
That's cute too.
That's not a bad price. Oh, that's for the bathroom.
It is?
Mm-hmm. What if we have that? Yeah, the cup covers you. You know, dressing room. It's a dressing room thing. And you can get a porta potty.
What, to go in there? What do you mean? I covered for what?
They have those if you're on the water.
Dang.
Oh, listen, see, I would be back here.
This is comfy back here.
Man, I'll be like, go ahead, Maria. Who's driving?
That'd be fun.
Say goodbye to the city. I think it's time to get away. I just can't shake this feeling. I guess I just